kumne jubun fibro session part te hakne ga video menta ngan ai jing tip biang habede bat ki scholarship te gidon kumba santli e ki scholarship lada phimpat yo jing tip habede bet ki scholarship te suspect ki video hod bakut e kita ki scholarship like no e ka pre matric bas post matric ki ne gide ki scholarship ki ba ai na po ka state government jong ka Meghalaya te ngin puli kawai kat kum kane ka advertisement yekine ki scholarship te sapej ba sasngap bat sale ya kabron kam na dapat ko aban apply yekine ki scholarship te tangga way dekan mau ba ka Aadhaar is mandatory mudon kam be ya ka Aadhaar mo la de jong ka state ne de jong ka central government ro Aadhaar kalong compulsory be application fresh and renewal are invited from students who are permanent resident in the state of Meghalaya for the year 24-25 for the following scheme kiron kumbasan tali ki scholarship kalaban kong ka free studentship scholarship for scheduled tribe and scheduled caste kane ka free studentship kadai nam ta kitu kibom yo ban apply ya ka post matric scholarship mo kibom yo apply ka post matric scholarship yo ba kila fill shisnam ne yo ba ki ka he plat ka tulop ka jongki mi pa nar gi ai ka income certificate ka he plat kala cross ya ka 8 lakh san hojar ta kim apply re te kane ka free studentship de phila aban apply nam ta kane da apply kane mudba phimde shu ban yo scholarship dikwi phimde shu ban apply jong ka central mudba phnyo ya kane ka free studentship scholarship for scheduled tribe scheduled caste for students who are pursuing higher study in different courses from class 11 to post graduation and class 11 and master degree student who fill in the previous year and also the student who are not eligible to apply for post matric scholarship tang ma fill tang shisen ma omde wa fill arsen ki ba fill arsen kinam yo shu ban apply te la ba fill shisen pikam yo apply scholarship ere te phila ban apply ya kaneka free studentship scholarship te kam ha scheduled caste on account of their parent income exceeding 2.50 lakhs per annum are eligible to apply for this scholarship te gitu gibla cross ya ka r.14,000 alak.14,000 te kinam yo shu ban apply ka post matric te gila ban apply da kaneka free studentship te giba da apply teng gila ban shu renew bade kadon ka fresh but ka renewal te gibla da apply teng phila ban shu renew te ka website menta kane phila ban lain dapo ka makeedistrict.gov.in ngasabu kali ngapo description ro yaki badang apply thamai phila ban register shell di ka website phila ban register shell di hapo to ka website dan sawat pade ya ka pade jong ka free studentship maru kibun ha phya wat ma phya scroll by serum andula yo ya ka free studentship hi pandap ya ka renewal ne phi pandap ya ka fresh te ka sadon ang to sa klik te gidon gi dokumen bahaban sanya ban upload te bisa print ni gitu gi form badai ban sanya no school ne hai te bisa lek ka kam te sa register komta nam ta ka free studentship te kabar kadai nam ta ka book grant scholarship for scheduled tribe student kane tanga pinyo bitang season hi tang class 11 na ne balik graduation mungkin yo bitang haka graduation bitang first year first semester bai akumno student who are pursuing higher study in different courses from class 11 to post graduation kemudian hawa ki basong class 11 la haka ka student ki yo 60% kemudian ba haka class 11 kila apan apply kane ka book grant scholarship kinyo tang season hi shu gibalale degree haka first semester haka 12 kiyo first 60% kila apan apply kane scholarship late master haka degree kiyo 60% kila apan apply kane scholarship tang season ni kila ban yo isa yo tang season hi kane under renewal under era apply bitang class 11 first year bat ki master first semester na first year tangita kila ban apply students who are pursuing higher study in different courses from class 11 to post graduation excluding vocational engineering medical and paramedical courses excluding like no ektai and who secure 60% marks and above during previous year examination are eligible to apply for the Brook Grant scholarship tagi bayo 60% last year shum tala shong class 11 class 10 bayo 60% mut phila apply nam ta kanek scholarship te nam ta class 12 tengam tip ren nomor ba kaneng yo benya class 11 marking penan kam ka marksheet class 10 te BA first semester and BSc penan kam ka marksheet class 12 la na jong ka master penan kam ka marksheet jong ka BA she yo bikum ta te nam ta ka yute maka renewal ta kam don re te ngatrai kenyo bitang kita hi te nam ta ka jingtip kam ne phila ban wat ba mar ne claim ID til re te phila ban wat benia shushu yo baki yo ru ya tangam tibra tama tangi bio 60% sejrong mo kan mau bukran te kanero phya apply online hi lembaga makedistrict.gov.in te kaju hi register swalde nang dai thmai da register lupa shu login bai login wat then sapej e ki haban submit e ba pandap tatar kabalai kan nega de merit scholarship for tribal and general student kan ne bade tangi ki bayo topar mo tangi bayo top 20 lane top 10 apo ka kelas 10 kelas 12 kelas 10 di top 20 kelas 12 di top 10 of Meghalaya who have secured very high percentage of marks in class 10 class 12 and both AIICSE and CBSE and degree examination degree room gilaban you 2024 for a specific number of merit scholarship to be chosen merit wise tang gi bayo topari ka degree class 12 mark class 10 bro lightly degree examination te gila ban apply na po ka ne ka juhi ka website make e district and postgraduate research scholarship kane ne de namta ki postgraduate research scholarship for a student of Meghalaya SC ST and general who are doing research course in university or research institution for MPhil or PhD and who secure 50% marks and above as at master degree level are eligible to apply for the scholarship. Kilong eligible ke bio 100% hapo ka master degree kilong eligible apply namta ka scholarship. Dan kabasan kepada namta ki border area kan ka border area scholarship. Ki basa ha ki border ki district bade ki border ki open apply namta kane from student belonging to SC ST categories of the state of Meghalaya who are pursuing post matric studies within and outside the state during the current year 24-25. Apply online using the link fresh and renewal te kibada apply tank pin should renew kibadang date mai ketika fresh te sa apply te nam takanero ketika juhi makedistrict.gov.in te pin lek hang tu don kam ki code baham submit man phaksan video mta tater ki don ta po principal ne he ki don kam hab print shoi kita phaksan ye sa submit ke bade submit te sa pli online sa lek hi apo ka website makedistrict.gov.in te kelas dit namta gine kan day lipo November arjarap saw kan mawa lipo 3 November arjarap saw after which the portal will automatically close kan sa close no lakot ke kelas dit es nga bang ne ki instruction ko ngomno hne bade ko ba pili ban download ye kata ka apps Sundays app napo Google Play Store. Student must provide a functional and valid email address of their own since all notification and correspondence will be via email kan sa lembaga email ba bro. Student may download the mobile app Sundays. Pila ban download ikan mobile app Sundays from Google Play Store. The numbers used for registration in the app should also be filled in the online application form so as to receive notification in the Sundays app. Te pila ban download ikan Sundays app pendap hang tu register bro. Te mutba pinyo jingtip ru lengba kaneka Sundays app kang ta. Uploading a scanned copy of Aadhaar card of the applicant is mandatory. Ini lah dong ba, Aadhaar card kalau mandatory have upload baik. Student must carefully check their online application detail for any error before finally submitting the form. All documents to be uploaded should be correctly uploaded in the field provided. Okay, once final evidence is collected. Since fill up the submit mla syuan penkala terhadap hi baklai pila adu hi. While submitting an application online, student is held solely responsible for information provided. Student must ensure that all details provided in the form are correct and in the uploaded scanned copies of the document to be clearly visible. Temlong visible ba gino no kid document bagi upload kid melong visible ba amdere banong blur amdere banong shy ba kide ban shy ba ma amdere ban dum ne ban every. If there is any discrepancy in the detail document provided, his her application will be cancelled. Mara don kino no kijing bom shy bom yuba kan cancel bedara. Online application along with all enclosure completed in all respects should be submitted through the online portal within the stipulated date. Te baro kini siap submit by hapo portal te katkum kelas date live photo bombar te lanya kata kino accept show fi. Te amdon kam submit hard copy yang submit tang ke online hi mabiang. Te tang kini hik jeng tip ngatrai pila size kan mau saleh hakane ka website make e district te hakane ka Sundays app tengam tip rek e ka badon tang ba ngadap check ba kadon hakane ka make e district .gov.in pila balik yang tu haban search ma marki bun mahal lagi jong apply marang tu kade dum ta apply filter ado kade gi nadong senong gi bun ma apply te hab check ma pi gan kadon he kata ka border area hab scroll notification nang tu scroll klik hang ta in sapen i dokumen gi ba de ban upload dan hab print show kita penbiang share dokumen desa de ekbaran kam. Tes download di ketika Sundays apru ngamti bre kan bre don ayu te siapan download kat ong hakane kan notification desa cek ki badi bandon hang tu te pinsatip hi. Terang tangini hi jing pentip habe de scholarship kulisubun.